Hi everyone, it's JoJo. Today I'll be showing you this frosted jewel makeup look. We are going to be working with pastels, some diamond tones, and glitter. I'm so excited to show you how I did this. So let's get started. First, we'll start off with a clean face and add primer. Then, using Tarte Shape Tape's concealer in the shade Tan Sand, I'm going to go ahead and conceal any dark spots. Then blending that out with a damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using NARS in the shade Barcelona. Using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium, I'm going to go ahead and brighten the eyes. I'm also going to highlight the middle part of my forehead, down my nose bridge, and the tip of my chin. And again, we're going to blend that all out. To contour, I'm using NYX Wondersticks in the shade Deep. Here, I'm taking Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I'm going to be using this to lightly blend out that contour we did earlier. Just make sure you're taking your time blending this out, as trying to rush this process might take off your foundation. Using Estee Lauder's NV color palette, I'm using the top right shadow to blend out the contour on my nose bridge, and I'm also going to blend that out into my brow bone. Now using Laura Mercier's translucent powder, we're going to bake these parts of my face. The nose bridge, the chin, and under the eyes to get rid of any fallout. For my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. Now the important part, onto the eyes. For my first shade, I'm going to be using the shade Utopia from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. Apply Libra, starting from the inner corner and then meeting up with Utopia. Remember to blend out the shades right after you apply them. On the outer corner, I'm applying the shade Karma. Apply this shade very lightly and little by little. Too much of this color can make the makeup look off balance. In the center, we're going to be applying this beautiful pink shimmer shade called Cosmic. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to remove the translucent powder. For blush, I'm using Crash and Off Balance. With a light hand, use small swirling movements across your cheekbones and over your nose bridge. Onto the highlighter, I'm using Diamond by Fenty Beauty. For lips, I'm lining my lips with the Estee Lauder lip liner in Nude. Using Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl, I'm going to be using that for my lip color. For Out of Shine, I'm using Fenty Beauty's lip gloss. And for an Out of Sparkle, I'm using Perfect Diaries glitter. It has stars, moons, and little specks of diamond shades.
always hear me whisper that your dreams lie here with me.
The lashes that I'm applying are from Kiss in 001. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked me and my content, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of me, my Instagram is going to be in the description box below. See you next time. Bye.
Another place, no need to worry.